First off, I would like to share that I am not naked right now. I have on a pink strapless top. And why did I choose to wear a pink strapless top when you can't even see it? I really don't know. Hey everyone, this is Rose and I welcome you to my random channel. This is going to be a video on a monthly snack service. Before I get into it, I just want to put out there the type of person that I am. I am a fairly active person. I go to the gym. Those of you who may follow me on social media, you know that I run and stuff. But when it comes to my diet, I will admit that I eat what I want. And I've never really been into like diet food or really just healthy food altogether. And so I was a little adamant about trying these snacks from this company simply because my previous experience with other things like Kind bars, for example, I've done unboxings of another snack by another company that I'm not going to name, but if you look at my channel, you'll know what company I'm talking about. And those videos were basically unboxings. I will admit, once I ate and tried all the snacks, I did not really like the majority of them. But this is going to be a different review because I've actually gotten the chance to eat everything that I got in this box. And so from a non-Healthnut perspective, you're going to find out, you know, the nitty gritty of if I fit like your mold or your taste when it comes to food, then I may be able to give you like an accurate description so you can take it and basically decide whether or not you want to try the company that I'm going to talk about, which is NatureBox, which, there we go, NatureBox. What is NatureBox before I actually get into the snacks that I got? It's basically a company that offers healthier snacks and food items made with simple, wholesome ingredients. And they actually offer a membership. You can actually try it for free for 30 days. Otherwise, it's $30 per year. And once you pay that fee, you save 40% off on all their snacks. And it's a discount that you'll always have. The membership also includes free shipping on orders of $25 or more. And then you get a $5 credit each month that you can use towards snacks. So that's $60 a year. And then they actually have a snack guarantee. If you don't like a snack, they will fix it. Now the membership thing is fairly new because when I tried it, they didn't have like the membership fee. You could basically just order a box of snacks, which is what I did. So, but if you're interested in trying NatureBox, I'm not affiliated with them in any way. I don't have a referral link, nothing like that. But I'll just put the website down below so you can click and check it out. But I'm basically going to get into what my box had. Of course, it looked a lot more neater and organized than this, but I've had this thing for a while. The box, of course, came with my order sheet. And then they do actually have a referral program where you can refer friends and family to join, and you can actually get credits added to your account. So that's basically what this talks about. And so let me get into it. I'm basically going to go in order on my order sheet. And actually the first thing I'm going to talk about, and with most of these I have a few left so that I can show you what they look like. This was a surprising favorite of mine, the Big Island pineapple. These bags are all 4.5 ounces. Of course, they have like the nutritional values and the expirations on the back, and NatureBox's mission statement, and also information about the snacks. But yeah, I am kind of weird when it comes to pineapple. I tend to not eat it when it's fresh, but I will drink pineapple juice. I know it does not make sense. And I'm not really a huge dried fruit person, but these were absolutely delicious. Even though they were dried pineapple rings, when you bit into them, they weren't juicy per se, but they almost tricked your brain and almost tasted like you're biting into an actual fresh pineapple ring. it has a slight gummy consistency, but take my word for it for a person that's just weird when it comes to food. These were a surprising favorite of mine, so I highly recommend these. And I do have some left that I can show you. And when you look at these, they look kind of gross, but I swear to you, and here's like a huge stack of them, I swear to you that these are actually not. They taste so much better than they look. These are really good. Next thing, I will be honest, is the first thing that I'm not going to recommend. It's the apple and cinnamon oatmeal. They come in these 1.5 ounce cups, and then you can actually see the oatmeal inside. Really simple directions. You add boiling water to it, you cover it, let it sit for 4 minutes, then you're good to go. Now, I come from a background of eating like Quaker Oats, apple cinnamon oatmeal. I have tried the reduced sugar version, and I eat those perfectly fine. I don't know what was up with these. I got 3 of these, and as you can see, I've only eaten 1, and that was enough. I mean, it has evaporated cane sugar in it, and oh, I just noticed it has sea salt. It was just a weird taste to me. Like, the only way I can describe it, it kind of had an old bland, and the sea salt makes sense now because it was kind of salty taste to it. I guess because it's evaporated cane sugar, it did not really have any sweetness at all. I won't forget when I ate this, the only one I've eaten, I maybe ate 2 spoonfuls and I ended up just throwing it away. So these were definitely not for me. Could be for you. Maybe not. I don't know. It's for you to try. The next thing is something that I kind of feel about. The dark cocoa num nums. These are mini cocoa oat cookies. These were not bad. Of course, it's oats, so it has like an oat taste to it. I've eaten quite a few of these, so they're definitely better than the oatmeal I just talked about. You can definitely taste the sweetness. You can definitely taste the chocolatey cocoa, and then the oat consistency gives it like an interesting texture. And that is basically what that looks like, which I will admit, it does not look appetizing, but these are actually not bad. It basically tastes like a healthy oatmeal chocolate cookie, if that makes sense. These I will finish off. The description of these is, it's a baked treat, flavor of a decadent brownie with none of the guilt. Rolled oats and almonds are sweetened with a touch of honey. For a satisfyingly soft and chewy texture, we threw in mini chocolate chips to satisfy the chocolate lover in all of us. These are not bad. They're pretty good. Next thing are the whole wheat strawberry figgy bars, which these have basically 5 individual bars in here, and it's comparable to Fig Newtons. These I enjoyed. It's like a mixture of Fig Newtons and a Nutri-Grain bar, but believe it or not, I've always been a bigger strawberry person than a raspberry person, but I actually ended up liking the raspberry flavor ones more. But I'll get into that in a second. They come individually wrapped in these wrappers, and then it basically looks like a mix of it, like I said, of a Fig Newton and a Nutri-Grain bar. The next thing I really liked, which you'll be able to tell because I'm down to like the last 5 in here. These were the strawberry lemonade fruit stars, basically strawberry lemonade flavored fruit chews. These basically were like a gummy candy almost. Of course, the texture is a little bit harder, but as you can see, I thoroughly enjoyed these because I only have like maybe 5 or 6 stars left in here, which I will finish off. But yeah, these I would definitely order again. And that's what that looks like. The double chocolate brownie cookies. These weren't bad. Crispy double chocolate cookies made with real chocolate chips. They do contain butter, eggs, cocoa powder, real semi-sweet chocolate chips. Creative cookie that delivers the same decadent chocolate flavor and texture of the crispy edges from a batch of brownies. These weren't bad. I mean, the description's really accurate. Of course, this is a crispier or harder cookie. It's not soft at all. They actually tasted pretty good. I would say these are sweeter than the Nom Noms that I showed earlier. Next thing I ended up not being a huge fan of, which I should have expected since I'm not a huge yogurt person. The only type of yogurt I really enjoy is strawberry banana yogurt, and that's really it. But these are the strawberry Greek yogurt pretzels. The name of it basically describes to you what these are. These are strawberry yogurt covered pretzels. I love chocolate covered pretzels. These, I don't know, maybe it's the fact that it's strawberry and probably because it's strawberry yogurt on top of the pretzels. I wasn't really a huge fan of these, but if those things tickle your fancy, I know some YouTubers I watched that have collaborated with Nature Box. They usually end up really liking these pretzels, which is the reason why I ordered them. To each their own. And then the last thing I got, I ended up really liking, and liking actually more than the strawberry figgy bars. These are the whole wheat raspberry figgy bars. Only difference is that they contain raspberry. And I think I like these better than the strawberry ones because they actually have a sweeter taste to them. And they basically look exactly like the strawberry bars. So, in Nature Box, they have a ton of other snacks I'm interested in. They even have soups. They have like popcorns, nuts, a plethora to choose from. So again, if you're interested in checking it out, I will link it down below. Of course, it's just going to be a generic URL because I'm not affiliated with them in any way. But yeah, this is all I have to say about Nature Box. A company that I am definitely sticking with because out of the, let me see, the 8 snacks I got, I actually ended up liking technically 6 out of 8 of the snacks. So from this non-Healthnut to another, the company's a win-win. Again, if you have any comments or questions, please don't hesitate to leave them down below. And again, this is it. Again, this is Rose, and thank you so much for watching this crap. If you found this video at all helpful or entertaining, then please don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up and subscribe and become part of my random family. And don't forget to hit that notification